A stash of smuggled produce and seafood fare was seized by customs personnel recently at the Port of Manila. This failed attempt to sneak in this misdeclared cargo valued at 200 million pesos could have led to substantial keep for local fisherfolk, as our J.M. Pineda threshes out more details in this report.
At first look, this container van might seem like just an ordinary shipment and mere boxes that look like regular cargo. But during inspection by officials from the Bureau of Customs or BOC and the Department of Agriculture or DA, they uncovered box after box of smuggled agricultural products including mackerel. This is part of more than 20 container vans recently seized by BOC. Authorities have already opened the first 2 containers, both of which also contained smuggled agricultural products.
Ngayon na-confirm natin na talagang lahat ng buong shipments na yun ay smuggled goods, no? Like mackerel. And I actually went to the customs office to meet the commissioner nga para i-follow up yung mga cases nga kung ano nangyari. And I think the commissioner is happy to show, please.
According to authorities, the shipment came from China. It was also misdeclared because they listed the contents of the container as taro sweet potato balls instead of mackerel. The value of the confiscated agricultural products is estimated at over 200 million pesos. The Agricultural Department said that such a large volume of smuggled goods affects local agricultural workers once they reach the market.
Kawawa yung mga fishermen natin, dahil siyempre lumalaot sila at nagsasakripisyo na pati buhay, no? Lalo na ngayon mabagyo ang So sana naman kumita sila, di ba? Pero sa smuggling na ganito, sigurado mababawasan niya kanilang kabuhayan.
The BOC also assured the public that they will strengthen monitoring of all shipment entering and leaving the country following the directive of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. The agency also vowed that no illegal cargo will slip through and that anyone caught smuggling will be held accountable. Cases have already been filed and a preliminary investigation into the seized good is underway.
Nakapag-file na tayo, nakapag-submit tayo ng for filing of cases, 12 hinggil dito sa nangyaring pagpuslit nung smuggling ng mackerel. So meron tayong papanagutin dito sa tulong ng, of course, ng Department of Justice. Mahigpit nating ipatutupad yung pagbabawal at gagamitan natin yan ng specific provision ng mga batas upang mapanagot natin kung sino ang mga nagpasok nito.
The government also warned anyone planning to smuggle illegal goods.
Yung provision lalo na nung bagong batas, yung Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Act, no? Mabigat yan. Meron niyang pagkakakulong, parusa, at tingnan nila yan, meron niyang no bail provision. Ibig sabihin, pag kinasuhan na sila dyan, sumampa sa korte, nasa kulungan na sila.
Authorities are also studying whether the seized agricultural products can actually be donated. J.M. Pineda from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.